In the sky, it's a bird, it's a shadow. Nah, dog, it's Zulu. Turn this shit, peep my hustle. Tryna get this money with Diddy, Dre, or Russell, cause the rest of y'all niggas is broke. So fuck you.
Yeah, I remember that Zulu came at me with that Zulu get rich kit. But he did it though. He did that shit. Can I get a job?
I'm here to start trouble, but salt in the game. Fear in your heart, niggas buckle at my name. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my watch. Money all around me like I work at Fort Knox. Come on, honey, what? Can you borrow some dollars? I'm Rick James. Biatch, gargle, swallow.
I was at a point in my life where I had jobs, they didn't do anything for me, you know? So then finally I decided, hey, do a late night infomercial, have people send you money and you'll get rich, okay? So all I need for you to do is send me $19.99 and hey, I will be rich. Do it today.
Swerve like, and I throw back and Impala. Haters like, I'm 5 steps ahead. Somebody please tell them, you got forbid. I own a dealership to sell them. The Lord on my melon, my kids on my heart. Won't be no shit if you don't start. Oh!
I was a little skeptical, but after talking to him on the phone, he assured me that everything would be okay. Not all my girls tell me that he's rich, and I want to do booty with him, I can be rich too.
Homie, why you hating? I'm dipping on datings, playing with money that I take your chick. What you saying is broke conversation, and you ain't talking money, then you're just talking sh. Yeah, pay, get the money, man. Well, get the money, man. Get the money, man. Yes, get the money, man. 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 Money, man.
If you send me $19.95, dog, I will be rich. Get the Make Zulu Rich kit today. Come on, what are you waiting for?
Would you believe that didn't work out how I planned it? Everybody just kept sending me food stamps and Chuck E. Cheese money.